Good eyesight is crucial for navigating the world around us, yet many people neglect the role nutrition plays in maintaining healthy vision. Research has increasingly shown that certain foods, rich in specific nutrients and antioxidants, can significantly contribute to eye health and even help prevent age-related vision problems. Here, we explore 12 superfoods that can improve eyesight through their nutritional benefits. 1. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for good vision. Vitamin A plays a key role in preventing night blindness and maintaining a healthy retina. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that a diet rich in beta-carotene can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD), a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. 2. Spinach. Spinach is packed with lutein and zeaxanthine, two antioxidants that accumulate in the retina and help filter harmful blue light. They protect the eyes from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of cataracts and AMD. Research published in Nutrition Reviews suggests that higher dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthine is associated with a lower prevalence of AMD and cataracts. 3. Salmon. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA-docosahexaenoic acid, which is concentrated in the retina. Omega-3s help maintain healthy retinal function and may reduce the risk of dry eyes. A study in clinical interventions in aging concluded that omega-3 fatty acids play a protective role against dry eye syndrome and may support overall eye health. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give them their vibrant color. Anthocyanins help improve night vision, reduce eye fatigue, and support the health of the retina. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that consuming anthocyanin-rich foods may reduce the risk of developing AMD. 5. Egg yolks. Egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthine, along with zinc and vitamin D, which are essential for maintaining healthy vision and protecting against age-related vision loss. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that higher dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthine from egg yolks is associated with improved macular pigment optical density, which helps protect the retina. 6. Sweet potatoes. Like carrots, sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining proper eye function, especially in low-light conditions. According to research published in the British Journal of Nutrition, beta-carotene from foods like sweet potatoes may reduce the risk of developing cataracts. 7. Almonds. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin E may help prevent age-related eye conditions and support overall eye health. A study in ophthalmology found that higher dietary intake of vitamin E is associated with a reduced risk of developing advanced AMD. 8. Kale. Kale is another leafy green vegetable rich in lutein and zeaxanthine. These antioxidants help protect the retina from damage caused by sunlight and oxidative stress. Research published in JAMA Ophthalmology suggests that a diet high in leafy greens like kale may lower the risk of glaucoma, a serious eye condition that can lead to blindness. 9. Oranges. Oranges and other citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes and reducing the risk of cataracts. A study in nutrients found that higher dietary intake of vitamin C is associated with a lower risk of developing cataracts and slowing the progression of AMD. 10. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts contain a mix of antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene, as well as lutein and zeaxanthine. These nutrients help protect the eyes from oxidative damage. According to research published in Ophthalmology, a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts may reduce the risk of developing AMD. 11. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin may help protect the retina from oxidative stress and inflammation. A study in molecular vision suggests that curcumin's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects may benefit individuals at risk for AMD and other retinal diseases. 12. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Omega-3s help maintain healthy retinal function and may reduce the risk of dry eyes and other eye conditions. Study, research published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that incorporating chia seeds into the diet may improve tear stability and reduce symptoms of dry eye syndrome. Conclusion: incorporating these 12 superfoods into your diet can provide your eyes with essential nutrients and antioxidants to support vision health. From protecting against age-related conditions like AMD and cataracts to reducing eye fatigue and improving night vision, the benefits of these foods extend beyond mere nutrition. By making healthy dietary choices, you can contribute to maintaining optimal eyesight throughout your life. Remember, while nutrition plays a significant role, regular eye exams and overall lifestyle choices also play crucial roles in maintaining healthy vision.